Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'd like to show you how to fix this problem with any iPhone. It applies to any of the iPhones, newer or older models, where of course your screen has turned completely black and white. And what I mean by your screen has turned completely black and white guys, is that the entirety of the display only shows black or white, right? Or basically it's just a gray screen. All right, so it might look as if the screen has been damaged or broken, but of course it can be fixed. So I opened today's tutorial to show you how to fix the problem whenever your screen becomes like this. So let me show you the extent of it. It extends everywhere. So all of your apps have turned to this color. Even the menu options as well have turned to only gray or black and white. All right, so in case you're experiencing this problem, this is how to fix it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do guys is go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, as I am here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to the option that says accessibility. That's the option right here. Go ahead and tap. And of course, once you're in accessibility, you're going to go ahead again and you're going to scroll down, and the option you're searching for is the one here under vision. So make sure you're under the vision category. Then you're going to go to display and text size. All right, so once you're in here, you're going to scroll down again and you're going to check here where it says color filters. And of course, if your color filter is on, then most likely this is the issue. Go ahead and tap, and right here you're going to see the option that says grayscale. All right, so what you want to do from here is go ahead and turn off the toggle for filters. So go ahead and tap, and instantly you should get back color to your screen. You can actually exit now, and of course from here the display should be back to its full and vibrant state. All right, so what most likely was happening to your device was that this feature was turned on. It could have been turned on in error, or something could have triggered it to turn it on, such as your kids playing around with the phone. It could have been just an error on your part or whatever, but if it was on, it might have been turned on and without your knowledge, and that was what was causing the issue. This applies straight across the board to newer, older iPhones. It doesn't really matter. All right, so I do hope this was useful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you have any input or feedback, you can always comment. As always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. See you in the next one guys. Bye.